China raises and processes millions of rabbits every year. China leads in rabbit production, raising over 500 million rabbits each year. Globally, the rabbit farming industry is heating up with an estimated production of around 2.2 billion rabbits each year. Join me in exploring the rabbit farming process in China, from the initial stages to final product processing. The selection and breeding process plays a crucial role in ensuring the health and productivity of the rabbit herd. Natural mating is a traditional and widely used method in rabbit farming. Meanwhile, artificial insemination excels in terms of quantity and efficiency. The conception rate is higher compared to natural methods because the semen is directly introduced into the reproductive organs. The flexible application of both methods will yield the highest efficiency for rabbit farms. Caring for baby rabbits from birth to maturity is a crucial process. Baby rabbits are very small and weak, born without fur and with their eyes closed. Baby rabbits are entirely dependent on their mother's milk. Rabbit milk is highly nutritious, providing all the essential nutrients needed for their growth and development. To ensure healthy growth and high productivity in adult rabbits, it is crucial to provide a nutritionally balanced diet and establish a proper feeding regimen. The use of pellet feed in rabbit farms provides numerous superior benefits in terms of nutrition, health, management, and economic efficiency. The production process of pellet feed is carried out meticulously and scientifically, ensuring the supply of high-quality and safe products for rabbits. Vaccination helps prevent common infectious diseases in rabbits, reducing the incidence of illness and enhancing their health. Each disinfection method, whether using liquids or fire sterilization, has its own utility and effectiveness, contributing to a clean and disease-free living environment for rabbits. Ensuring a stable living environment temperature in rabbit enclosures is crucial to maintaining the health and productivity of the herd. By selecting and inspecting feed ingredients and conducting daily and periodic health checks on the rabbits, potential issues can be detected early and timely adjustments can be made. Regular inspections of feed and rabbit health help detect potential issues early and allow for timely adjustments. Hundreds of thousands of rabbits are transported to the processing plant in each batch. The processing plant purchases large quantities of rabbits from local farmers for various purposes. The rabbits are hung on racks by hooking their hind legs onto hooks. This keeps the rabbits in a fixed position, making the cleaning process easier. The rabbits are eviscerated to remove all internal organs. Organs such as the liver, heart, and lungs can be retained for processing or sold separately. while other parts are treated as waste. The rabbits are placed in a rotating drum with a mixture of spices and then taken to be dried before packaging the product. The cleaned rabbits are immediately transferred to a cold storage room to maintain freshness for use in canned fresh meat products. A cutting machine slices the rabbits into various parts, including thighs, torso, back, and smaller sections. The transportation and distribution of fresh rabbit meat across the market help expand the customer base, thereby increasing revenue for the business. Each year, the people of China consume up to 300 million rabbits, an impressive figure that reflects the popularity and preference for this type of food. Across the streets of China, from bustling cities to small towns, rabbit meat is sold and prepared into many enticing street food dishes. Each year, the people of China consume up to 300 million rabbits, an impressive figure that reflects the popularity and preference for this type of food. These dishes are not only delicious but also showcase the creativity and high skill of the chefs. Millions of tons of macadamia, cashew, and pistachio nuts processed annually at modern factories require a sophisticated and efficient process. Large-scale production of macadamia, cashew, and pistachio nuts typically involves multiple stages, from cultivation to harvesting and processing. A closed production process and modern technology enable factories to produce millions of kilos of nuts each year, meeting global consumption demands. Macadamia farms are often located in tropical and subtropical regions. Automated irrigation systems are deployed to provide the necessary amount of water for the trees. Macadamia seedlings are planted in pre-prepared holes, followed by nurturing them with organic fertilizers and monitoring their growth. After about 6 to 7 years, macadamia trees reach the harvesting stage. Farms typically collect macadamia nuts immediately after they fall using specialized machinery. Macadamia nuts are transported to the factory for shelling. There are two main methods used to shell macadamia nuts: mechanical and manual. Mechanical shelling is the preferred method at large factories due to its efficiency and high speed. Macadamia nuts are dried to reduce moisture, making the shelling process easier. Using manual tools such as hammers or pliers, workers shell the hard outer shell of macadamia nuts. This process requires skill and precision to ensure the nuts inside are not damaged. Macadamia nuts are carefully inspected to ensure no shell fragments remain. This machine uses rollers or cutting blades to separate the hard outer shell of macadamia nuts from the inner kernel. The process is quick and precise, ensuring the nuts are not damaged. After completing the processing steps, macadamia nuts are packaged in high-quality packaging to maintain freshness and protect them from environmental factors. From here, they are distributed to consumer markets worldwide. One of the popular products made from macadamia nuts is macadamia nut milk. Macadamia nut milk can be flavored with vanilla, honey, or sugar according to preference. Roasted macadamia nuts are a popular snack, offering a crunchy and rich flavor. Growing cashew trees is a process that requires attention to detail. Farmers typically water the plants early in the morning or in the cool afternoon to minimize evaporation and ensure optimal water absorption. Regularly inspect the trees to detect early signs. The harvesting process of cashew nuts is a crucial step in the production chain, requiring meticulousness and precision to ensure the quality of the cashew nuts. After about 3 to 5 years, cashew trees begin to bear fruit. The ripe fruits fall to the ground, at which point farmers collect them and transport them to the factory. Sun drying is a traditional and effective method to naturally reduce the moisture content of cashew nuts. Workers will regularly turn the nuts to ensure all sides are exposed to sunlight. In the factory, cashew nuts are spread evenly on trays or conveyor belts in an automated cleaning and drying system. After preliminary drying, the cashew nuts are transferred to an automated sorting system. After passing through the sorting machine, the cashew nuts are manually inspected by workers to ensure no impurities or damaged nuts remain. Nuts that do not meet the standards are removed, ensuring that only the best cashew nuts proceed to the next stage. The cashew nuts are weighed to ensure each package has the exact weight. After packaging, the cashew nuts are labeled. The labeling process can be done automatically or manually. This process ensures the cashew nuts are well preserved before reaching consumers. This process ensures the cashew nuts are well preserved before reaching consumers. Pistachio trees take about 3 to 5 years to begin bearing fruit. The pistachio nuts are light green when ripe, turning yellow as they near full ripeness. When pistachio nuts are ripe, they fall to the ground on their own. Workers then collect the nuts by hand. The nuts are picked into baskets or containers to avoid being crushed. Harvesting machines work by shaking the trees, causing the nuts to fall to the ground where they are automatically collected. The machines also have a sorting system to remove substandard nuts. After harvesting, pistachio nuts are spread evenly on tarps or nets for sun drying. After drying, the pistachio nuts are placed on an automated sorting line. Despite the efficiency of automated technology, workers still conduct manual inspections to ensure no low-quality nuts remain. Workers will manually remove cracked, damaged, or substandard nuts, ensuring that only the best nuts remain. Some factories also polish the nuts to enhance their appearance, ensuring that pistachio nuts have a smooth and attractive surface for consumers. We hope the information shared has helped you better understand the nutritional value and incredible health benefits of sea cucumbers.